Let's go get that money. Okay, guys, we're gonna try ultimate fire length, and I have a ticket in there for $32.15, and I'm just gonna do 50 cent or a dollar bet, and we'll see how it goes. So here we go. Those fireball links, and to trigger the bonus, or you want 3 free games for the bonus. I'm just doing just a 50 cent bet. My finger's going to be in that. There we go. We got 4. Not going to be a big, huge amount. $8.75. Like I said, it's no big, huge win, but it's better than a sharp stick in the eye. So we'll just keep playing. And we'll see how it goes, see if we can get another one, or the free games. Come on, 2 more. The lighthouses are wild, so you can get a whole screen full of those. That'd be... Are they lanterns? Come on. Get something else here. Come on, fireballs. Come on. Balls.
I'll be 85 over there.
Come on. We got to get them to line up so we can get that bonus again. Come on, 2 more. Let's try a dollar bet. Sometimes you just never know. Come on. Oh. Come on. Here we go. On another 50-cent bet, but you know, that's okay. You know, if you can win enough even just to keep playing, it makes it even fun. Of course, everybody would love to win the big jackpots, and I've had that happen. But when you can win enough to just play, it even makes it more fun. So come on, drop them. Drop, 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 drop. There we go. 3 more spins. Come on. Drop, 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 drop. There we go. One more. Come on. Come on. Drop it. Drop it. Drop, 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 drop. Come on. Last spin. Come on. Okay, that's it. So this is a very small bonus. Balls. Oh boy, I get the coins for $5.25. I won $5.25. It's okay. It's all still fun. Come on. $1. Oh, come on, one more. Those free games are really hard to get. On a dollar bet. We got 5 of the fireballs, so that is good. Here we go. You never know what's gonna land. To 3 spins. Oh, $50 just landed on the top, but you have to open up all of the reels. So you want a fireball to keep landing. Come on. Come on. Come on, drop it down here. Drop, 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 drop. Last spin. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's gonna be it. Like I said, you know, it's just all about winning enough sometimes just to keep you playing. Makes it just as fun. Now I'm back up to $30.75, so we'll just keep going. Maybe we'll get it again. Keep it at $1 bet. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on, free game. Nope. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Excuse me, guys, I'm having some sinus issues out here this year. They say the pollen's really high out here at this time. It seems to be messing with me. Let's try $1.50. One more. Go back down to $1. Okay, come on. Come on. Let's go 50 cents. Come on, 2 more. About done here. Do 50 cents. Oh, nope. Okay, we're gonna cash this out at just 40 cents left with our credits, so we'll try another game. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and move to a different machine, but I put $13, a ticket for $13 into this machine, and I played on that for 15 minutes. So it's just a low roller type of a game that I was playing. I wasn't trying to hit a jackpot or anything, but it was fun.